Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you free mockup website. Here you can download free mockups. Without the help of Photoshop you can generate these mockups. If you are a logo designer and you want to show your work to the client, this website is perfectly for you. You can add a logo to the mockups and show the work to the clients. Let's try this billboard mockup first. Click on this upload button and choose your design. For this purpose I am using Amazon's logo. Let's zoom it out a little bit to have enough negative space. Click on crop and continue. Now you can download it by clicking on this download button. Let's try this video player mockup. Click on upload button. For this I am using Netflix image. Click on crop and continue. You can even remove the background by clicking on this button, and you can download it in a PNG file, or you can change the background color if you wish. Let's try few more. Let's try this t-shirt design mockup. Click on the upload button. I am using Adidas logo here. Click on open. Let's resize it so it fits the canvas perfectly. You can even use your typography designs for this. You can change the color of t-shirt by clicking on this color and change any color. I am changing it to lighter yellow. You can remove the background also. Let's try a couple of more mockups. I have a UI design, so I will use one of these and place a UI design over it. Let's browse a UI design. Click on crop and continue, and here you have it. Let's try one last mockup. It is a market bag mockup. Let's click on upload button and choose the logo or an image. Let's resize it, and here you have it. You can remove the background also, and here are the links to the tags. You can click on these to find a specific mockup. Let's click on devices to view devices mockups, and here you have it. Thanks for watching this video guys. If you like this video, hit a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.